This is nice. This is very nice.
And there's a river there, another river, but that way is a small river.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is a big river, though.
Yeah. Ooh.
Wow. This is beautiful.
Yeah.
This is beautiful.
I'll go that way.
No. Why? No, come this way first. Come see the river. So, Mom has gone to Pilates in the morning. We've arrived at the venue. We've been here for a night. And Mom has... Yeah, we'll walk there. Don't you want to see the river? It's a beautiful view. So while Mom has gone to Pilates, we are going for a morning walk. And just to get our day started. And look at this. This is amazing. We're here for the weekend. This is the venue. So we don't have to go anywhere. You can stay here. Oh, you can't see it. I'll show you when we go in the front. Kobe, I don't want you near the pool alone. Come. You have to be next to an adult. Remember, you don't know how to swim. If you fall in, I have to run in. And I have Zuri with me. It's going to be a bit awkward trying to save you with Zuri, isn't it? I will save you, but it will still be awkward. It might be traumatic for Zuri, but look at this. Oh, there's a little dog there. Oh.
And it goes all the way to the ocean.
Yeah, this is beautiful, Kobe. All right. We'll be seeing these views all weekend, so.
I guess there's little.
There's holes. I wonder if that's for snakes or lizards. In Africa, when I see a hole, you never knew whether it was for a snake or a lizard or something else. So I'll stay away from them.
No, I saw 2 lizards.
You saw 2 lizards?
Yeah, I saw a crack, and then the lizards went in the crack.
Yeah?
It was out already, and then it went in the crack.
Yeah?
I was so scared. I thought it was venomous.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Look, see, Mom is over there doing Pilates there. Come on, let me see your mouth again. I can still wipe a bit more. Come, let me wipe a bit more of your mouth.
Is Mom working there?
No, Mom is not working. She's exercising there.
Can we go watch her?
No, we shouldn't have people there. It's private. It's private.
But you need exercise.
Well, who's gonna look after you and Zuri? Come, let me wipe your mouth. Come. Bring in the water. Alright, let's continue. Morning.
Morning, how are you?
I'm good, you?
Yeah, very good, thank you.
Let's see how Zuri's doing. How you doing, Zuri? You fine? Let's go under this. Yeah.
Now I need to hold your hand.
Okay, good job. Alright, that's the gate. This is where we parked our car. I'll show you the castle.
Was that a long time? Is that a real tree?
Yes, it's a real tree, but it died, so they carved it into this. Yeah, Zuri, what do you think of this?
And did it talk?
No, this is just a tree that it's like art. You know how you make something with art? Look, Zuri is also impressed by it.
But how did it talk?
Oh, it's okay, Zuri. It's okay. It's okay. It's just a tree. It's just a tree. It doesn't talk, no. It's just like doing art. Look. It's just a tree. So they just cut it up. Imagine you're doing art.
Did it die?
The tree died, yes. I think. I don't know if you consider. I don't know if you'd consider this tree still alive. And then it's like doing art. You know when you get a piece of paper and cut it up? Now imagine getting a tree and cutting it. This is what this is. Zuri, you like this, huh? Hmm? This is, do you want to touch it, Kobe? You want to touch it?
Let's go back. It looks naughty back of him.
Yeah, they cut that bit as well. It's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
What's there? Are those birds? Oh, that's bees. Oh, I had a feeling. Yeah, let's stay away from there. Yeah, I feel some. Let's go back this way.
Oh yeah. Hey, why is that car driving on the road? Who's coming this way?
There's some beehives over there. I saw that. I was like, yep, not with the kids.
I think you can't go that way.
You think so?
I think wasps and bees live that way.
Yeah?
Yeah.
But I wasn't sure. I didn't want to go closer to the bees, okay?
Okay. If
That
Mommy went there, we would run to her and say, no, you had to shout no.
Yeah, but I don't think she's going to go there. Mommy's over there doing Pilates. I don't know if you can see it very well. They're doing Pilates over there.
This hotel is cool.
What? What you mean? What? It's boring. You've got the pool. You've got the pool.
But it's not big enough.
It's not big enough. What did you want it to?
I want it really, really big so lots of people can be in.
But this is private. It's meant to only be people who are coming to the wedding.
No, I want no swimming pool here.
You want no swimming pool?
No, because it's not fun.
Why wouldn't you want a swimming pool?
Because this is a dirty hotel.
It's not. They're preparing for the wedding. Right, so this is, Kobe, this is what they call a chateau.
What?
This is what they call a chateau. Chateau. So it's not a proper hotel. It's like a big house that you turn into a hotel. Pretty nice, huh?
I'm hungry.
You're hungry? Okay.
Oh, lucky you're going to breakfast.
Yeah. Breakfast starts at what, huh?
It started.
Oh, it started.
It started at 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock. Oh, okay.
Yeah, so you just go around here and you'll see it in the garden.
Okay. Shall we go breakfast, Kobe? Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah?
This way.
Yeah, let's go. Good timing.
I guess Mommy wants breakfast.
Hello. She
Not
probably wants
enough.
to play.
Not today.
It's okay. If you run, she'll think you're playing. Oh, he or she.
Not today.
Not
Sorry,
today. So going to breakfast. This is the back. All right, breakfast time. Right over there. I'm gonna stop recording now.